PyMC3 regression with change point. I saw the examples of how to do change point analysis with PyMC3, but it seems that I'm missing something because the results I get are far from true values. Here's a toy example. Data. Script. And here are the results. As you can see, they are quite different from the initial values. What did I do wrong?
In the end, it seems that switching to discrete breaking point with metropolis sampling resolves the issue. Here's the final model.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.